Tag along with us, the Plaintail family, as we adventure through the culinary chaos of Shilin Night Market in Taiwan. Shilin is the largest market in Taiwan, with over 530 stalls in the main building alone, but the market spreads all over the side streets and alleyways. We hired a guide through the Viator website, the lovely Mavis. Now, if you do not speak Chinese, this is a must. There are so many incredible foods to try, but all of the menus are in Chinese, so our guide was a fantastic asset. She was able to explain all the foods, any questions we had, and of course order for us. The tour cost around 300 Australian dollars for the 4 adults and 3 children, and it was money well spent. Shilin Market is famous for its Michelin-rated stalls, but if you don't know how to find them, you could get overwhelmed and completely lost. So hire a guide and make the best of the night. Our favourite thing we tried was the fresh steamed buns. They were delicious. There was a pork and a veggie option. They cost around $1 US or about $1.50 AUD. Fair warning, they are juicy and really hot, so take a moment and make sure you don't end up covered in it. If you're traveling with kids, begin your tour at 5 p.m. We came at 7 and it was just packed. The tour goes for 2 hours and there is a lot of walking. In fact, we didn't sit down once, so I would suggest bringing a stroller for little kids. Make sure you bring lots of cash, small change, and wet wipes. You are going to get sticky. I'd also suggest bringing some plastic bags for your trash, as bins were often hard to find. The unexpected bonus of the Shilin Market was all the awesome fashion stores. Taiwan really has a cool fashion scene. If crowds really aren't your thing, the Shilin Market might not be for you. Did I mention that it was really busy? I would highly suggest coming early and coming during the week if you can. I'll put all the links below so you can enjoy the Shilin Market with your family just as much as we did.